Is it time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Amazon. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 3rd of June, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 28th of May, 2025, our system has identified Amazon as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 1.1. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 0.48%. This equates to an average return of 0.1% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the upper section of a broad and gently rising trend in the short term. This scenario often presents an attractive selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend is likely. A breakthrough at the upper trend line at $212.91 would signify a stronger upward trajectory. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 3.37% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 14.26% to positive 6.99%. In the context of a longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis projects an 11.7% change. According to our calculations, the stock's performance may vary from negative 8.3% to positive 35.14% over the upcoming year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price between $189.19 and $277.99. Our latest daily update for Amazon includes the headline, Red Day on Tuesday for Amazon stock, after losing nearly 0.5%. The Amazon stock price fell by nearly 0.5% on the last day, which was Tuesday, the 3rd of June, 2025. The stock dropped from $206.65 to $205.71. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.9%, with a low of $205.05 and a high of $208.95. The price has decreased on 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 0.1% for this period. Additionally, volume increased on the last day by 4 million shares, though this was accompanied by falling prices. This may be an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 33 million shares were exchanged for approximately $6.77 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $242.52, while the lowest price was $151.61. Currently, the price sits at 15.18%, or $36.81, below the 52-week high, and 84.24%, or $1,099.49, below the all-time high reached on the 15th of January, 2018, when the price peaked at $1,305.20. Amazon is making strategic moves to remain competitive in the evolving marketplace. The company is rolling out new features through Amazon Pharmacy aimed at attracting Medicare recipients, a demographic largely dominated by CVS Health and Walgreens. This could enhance Amazon's market share in the pharmacy segment over time, potentially boosting revenue and stabilizing earnings. Additionally, Amazon's AWS continues to play a vital role in its financial health, generating a significant portion of operating profits despite representing a smaller slice of total sales. As companies increasingly rely on cloud services, Amazon's investments in artificial intelligence and cloud capabilities position it well for long-term growth, particularly as demand for robust digital solutions surges. Moreover, the recent rise of nuclear energy stocks, catalyzed by tech partnerships such as Meta's 2-decade deal with Constellation Energy, points to a broader industry movement towards sustainable energy solutions. This trend strengthens the tech sector's foundation, including Amazon, as they adapt to new energy landscapes to power data centers efficiently. In the short term, while Amazon shares have dipped approximately 6% year to date, there may be better opportunities for new investors in the latter half of 2025. However, for current investors, the solid first quarter results and ongoing artificial intelligence innovations suggest a hold strategy could be prudent, as Amazon's future growth prospects remain strong amid industry headwinds. These developments could ultimately contribute to stock recovery and appreciation in the long run. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned a buy grade to AMZN, accompanied by a hold action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, JMP Securities also rated AMZN as market outperform while recommending a hold action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, Tigris Financial similarly awarded AMZN a buy grade along with a hold action. On Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025, Cantor Fitzgerald designated AMZN with a hold grade and a corresponding hold action. On Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025, Goldman Sachs provided AMZN with a buy grade paired with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Amazon stock a general neutral rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a sell and the price-to-book ratio a strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts offer the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Amazon. Today, there are mixed signals regarding the stock. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 13th of May, 2025, and so far, the stock has decreased by 2.68%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. On a positive note, Amazon stock is receiving buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook. Moreover, a general buy signal exists due to the short-term average being above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be support from the levels at $204.97 and $193.73. A decline below any of these levels will trigger sell signals. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence. Sell signal. Pivots. Sell signal 15 days ago. Bollinger. Buy signal 15 days ago. Short-term moving average. Buy signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average. Buy signal 20 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 23 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average. Buy signal 29 days ago. The long-term moving average. Buy signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 59 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $191.10 and $175.26. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level could result in a decline to the next support threshold. In this instance, Amazon has support just below today's level at $191.10. Should this level be breached, the subsequent support from accumulated volume will be at $175.26 and $171. This stock typically experiences average daily movements, and with a healthy trading volume, the associated risk is regarded as medium. Over the last trading day, the stock fluctuated $3.90 between its high and low, reflecting a change of 1.9%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 1.99%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Amazon, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 30th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.31. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Amazon. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Amazon is at $208.36. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Amazon encounters its first support level at $191.10. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Amazon, according to various analyst sources, is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Harrington Douglas J., who bought and sold 23,950 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 67.609. In total, insiders purchased 243,235 shares and sold 1,306,102 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $198.43, reflecting a decline of 3.54%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 14 days ago. Is Amazon stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, alongside an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Amazon stock to perform well in the near future. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 4th of June, we anticipate Amazon to open higher by 86 cents, starting at $206.57. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.